The Taima titanium pan isn't for everyone, but if you're looking to cook healthier, safer meals long term, it might be exactly what you need. The question is, does it match your cooking style? Well, let's find out. What makes a Taima titanium pan stand out? First, there's no toxic coating, no Teflon, no ceramic layer, and no non-stick spray baked onto the surface. That means nothing harmful touches your food, so you don't have to worry about toxins, hormone disruptors, or chemicals leaching into your meals. Instead, you're cooking on pure medical-grade titanium. It's the same metal used in implants and aerospace, so it's completely safe, non-reactive, and naturally resistant to bacteria. But if there's no coating, how does it prevent sticking? The pan uses its very own slip-scale micro pattern. It's a specially engineered texture that creates natural non-stick performance from the metal itself, and not from a coating. In other words, it traps tiny pockets of air between the food and the metal, which helps prevent sticking naturally, without any chemical coating. And that's just the inner surface. Underneath the titanium, there are 3 layers of high conductivity aluminum. This layered core is what spreads heat fast and evenly, so your meals can cook perfectly with no hot spots and no uneven browning. The stainless steel exterior makes the pan strong and warp resistant, so you can cook on any stove, including induction, or you can finish your dish in the oven. That makes it perfect for everything, from searing steaks and frying eggs to baking lasagna. This truly unique design ensures the pan is non-toxic and nutrient-preserving, lightweight and durable, and non-stick and safe. So, is the Taima titanium pan right for you? It's a perfect match for you if you want to cook healthier meals with more nutrients and no chemicals touching your food, if you want a pan that's tough, durable, and ready for everyday use, even with metal utensils, and if you don't mind learning a few simple tricks to get that natural non-stick effect. That being said, even an amazing pan like this works best for some cooking styles more than others. When might Taima titanium not be the right pan for you? So if you're someone who likes to crack an egg into a cold pan, turn the heat on, and expect it to slide around instantly, or you want to cook everything on high heat, even when it's not needed, or if you're always in a rush and don't have a minute to let the pan preheat, this might not be the best fit for you, because to get the best results, you need to use it the right way. But if your goal is to cook healthier, safer meals in high-end cookware, then it's definitely worth it. You just need to follow these 3 simple rules. Number 1, warm it up dry. Let the empty pan heat up on the stove for about a minute before adding any oil. This helps the surface get ready so your food cooks evenly. To check if it's ready, flick a drop of water, and if it beads up and bounces around the surface, you're good to go. Number 2, medium is the new high. Because the Taima titanium pan heats up so quickly, medium heat is all you're really going to need for almost anything. This keeps your food from burning, helps it cook evenly, and preserves more of your food's natural flavors and nutrients. And number 3, oil goes in last. Once the pan's hot, add your butter or oil, then your food. This activates the natural non-stick surface and keeps your meals from sticking. And that's how you get healthy, delicious meals cooked evenly with no sticking or scrubbing. Some people stick to traditional cookware, but some like to level up their cooking with Taima titanium. Which one are you? Head over to taimatitanium.com and check out the special prices available right now. We'd love to hear how you cook, and if you're ready for an upgrade, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the link below to get your Taima titanium pan.